Today we're going to test this Falkenwald Multi Material cutting blade. Hello, I'm Griff Rees, welcome to Gwynedd Griffith here. We talk everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living, and we do reviews as well, just like this video. Now today, this company from Germany sent me this saw blade. It's a multi-material cutting blade, and I want to test it on some wood, some plastics, and some metal. So I've never used a circular saw blade like this to cut metal, so we'll see how this goes today. Now, first impressions, straight out the box. Nice packaging, safe to go in the post. It's got some information on the back, which you read to make sure it fits your saw blade. And the blade is actually protected by a layer of plastic as well, so that's good. Nice ting coming off the blade, always do that. If you don't hear that ting sound, then your blade is not going to be a very good material. So looking at it, multi-purpose, extreme runtime, clean cut, cut steel, aluminium, wood and PVC. So that's enough talking, let's see how this goes. Okay, first up then, got some pallet wood, that's a soft pine, some marine ply, that's a bit harder, a little bit of thicker pallet wood, and some MDF stuff. This is that waterproof stuff we put around windows, seals and doors inside the house, just to try it out on different material. Well, can't complain about that. Cut all the wood perfect. Now let's try some plastic. So I've got some alkathene pipe. Some guttering. And some thicker PVC pipe. That's pretty good, can't complain about that. Now next up, got some 8 by 3/4 inch probably, that's what it looks like. And it's full of staples. Now this is contaminated wood. But this blade says multi-material and it does list steel in the material it can cut. So I'm going to cut this and I'm going to aim for a staple and go straight through it, see how it performs. Good, didn't feel no resistance there. You can see in the wood there, I've gone straight through a staple. Didn't slow the power down, didn't stop. But here's the real test. bit of roofing material. This is corrugated steel. Step sheets we use on the farm. I've never cut any this kind of material with a circular saw blade before. I've always used either a nibbler or a disc cutter. But we'll see how she goes. Well, a bit noisy, but as you'd expect, that's cut really clean. Can't fault that. Blade looks good. Well, there we have it. The Falkenwald Multi Material blade cut everything, no problem whatsoever. There's no damage to the blade anywhere. And for a blade made of steel, cut steel, that's quite good going. Because normally I'd recommend either use a nibbler that punches the steel, or use disc cutter that cuts the steel. But the disc cutter is made of a totally different material. It's an abrasive cutter. That's probably the better way to cut metal. But if you're on a job and you haven't got those kinds of blades or tools, and you've got this blade, then it just shows you can crack on with the job, because this blade will do it. So, would I recommend buying this blade? Yes, I would. It cut all the wood, no problem. Cut some thick stuff, went straight through the plastic, and it even cut metal. And I just tried it earlier on there now before doing this final to the review, and it cut the wood just as good after cutting the metal, so you can't fault that at all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to watch more of the same kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put a new video out every week. Thanks for watching.